What if the biggest challenge holding back the AI revolution isn't building faster chips, but simply powering them? Imagine a world where entire data centers, physically separate and power-capped, could suddenly combine forces, acting as one colossal brain. Nvidia just made that a reality, and it's a game-changer we absolutely need to talk about. We're living through an unprecedented AI boom, aren't we? Companies worldwide are pouring billions into building these colossal data centers, all hungry for the incredible processing power that GPUs provide. But here's the thing. You can only cram so much electricity into one building, especially with older infrastructure. Many data centers, even modern ones, quickly hit what we call a power cap. It's like having a supercar that's constantly running out of gas because the fuel tank is just too small for its appetite. You can install all the powerful engines you want, but without the juice, they just sit there. This has been a looming bottleneck for companies trying to scale their AI ambitions. You've got all these incredible GPUs, all this potential, but they can only hum as loud as the power grid allows. And that's where Nvidia, the company practically synonymous with AI acceleration, steps in with a surprisingly elegant solution. They call it Spectrum XGS. Now, you might think, oh, another new piece of hardware. But here's the clever part. Spectrum XGS isn't a new chip or a new server rack. It's a brilliant blend of existing hardware and groundbreaking new algorithms. Think of it like this. Your existing Spectrum X switches already let you combine multiple GPU servers within one data center to create a larger, unified processing unit. That's already impressive, but Spectrum XGS takes it to the next level. The GS stands for gigascale, and that's exactly what it enables. With Spectrum XGS, Nvidia allows entire data centers, spread across different locations, to communicate with each other so seamlessly that they effectively become one gigantic, unified GPU. Imagine you have 5 separate supercomputers, each powerful in its own right, but operating in isolation. Spectrum XGS is like the ultimate universal translator and conductor, allowing them to pool their resources, share data instantly, and tackle problems together as if they were physically connected in the same room. Dave Salvatore, Nvidia's director of accelerated computing products, explains it perfectly. Many data centers simply run out of power capacity. So their solution? Multi-site data center scale. These switches, he says, are purpose-built to enable different data centers to communicate and act as one gigantic GPU. This isn't about building fewer data centers. It's about making the ones we do build, and the ones we already have, work smarter and harder. Developers gain the ability to train and deploy far more ambitious agentic AI applications. The kind of AI that isn't just crunching numbers, but actively making decisions and learning in complex environments. This essentially removes a critical physical constraint, unlocking a new level of AI capability without needing to completely re-engineer the power grid. It's an infrastructure revolution, not just a chip upgrade. So, as we push the boundaries of AI, it's not always about raw silicon speed. Sometimes, it's about innovative networking and software that lets us unleash the full potential of what we already possess. Nvidia isn't just selling chips. They're selling the future of AI infrastructure. It's a subtle but profound shift. What do you think this means for the future of AI development? Will these virtual super data centers accelerate breakthroughs even faster than we imagine? Let us know your thoughts, and make sure you subscribe to stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving tech world. We'll be here to break it down for you.